Episode 5. I made Katie Lee's carrot dog so you don't have to. Okay, so you saw the title. Super quick history, go. Katie Lee is one of the 5 chefs on the TV show The Kitchen, and she focuses on healthier and typically more vegan recipes. Honestly, none seem as lazy as this one. So, cut and peel the carrots, making sure they are on length, or not. Now we build our marinade. 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire, and yes, that's how I say it because look at it, Worcestershire. Okay. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Now mix everything together and add our carrot, let's call them dogs, and put them in the fridge for 4 hours. Throw them onto a tray and put them in your 350-degree oven for 25 minutes. And we don't have a grill, so we use our trusty grill pan. Just make sure it's hot and add your kind of roasted carrots. We are just looking for grill marks of any kind. And that's it. We are ready for this carrot dog. Slap them in a bun, add some hot dog toppings, and chow down. Even though we didn't have a grill to char, I'm sure it came close enough. And honestly, the carrot tasted good for a roasted carrot. Putting it on a bun and putting hot dog toppings on it is just silly town banana pants to me. Okay, so the marinade tasted good. The little that stayed on the carrot. I would honestly use this again for roasted carrots. Still not sure about the marinating part though. Not a lot of flavor went through. I don't think carrots are made for marinating. Maybe grilling it does change it more, but I would say roast it for more time. Mine still had quite a crunch to it. I would be scared if my hot dog had that much crunch. And the carrot dog with the crunchy onions on it was really good. But you know, so just a plain bun with crunchy onions. Or just a handful of crunchy onions. I think you get my point. Mustard should not be on a carrot, period. I ate the carrots Bugs Bunny style because I'm sure he marinated and roasted his carrots before pulling them out of his ass. I mean back pocket. Yeah, look at his pockets. Okay, that's the end of the episode. And this here is a positive space. She has made better stuff on the show. And she just had a baby. So don't hate on her. Congratulate her. This isn't fucking Reddit. Thank you for watching. I will link the recipe, and I will see you all next Friday for another weird one.